Hi everyone, in this 1 hour course I will show you all the variables that you need to use in Android Studio. Now keep in mind this is a course for complete beginners. You don't have to have any previous experience with Android Studio. I'm gonna take you from the beginning and I'm gonna show you all the most important data types that we're gonna use in order to build your application. And so these data types are integers, decimal numbers, strings, booleans, and so on. What we're going to learn in this course is for integers or whole number variables. I'm going to show you practical examples of when you have to use them, and you will have to use them basically about 20 times in almost every application you're going to be using. Um, they require a lot of numerical processing, so most of the times you're going to be using them. Then you have decimal numbers, and I'm going to show you also how to format them to a specific number of decimals. I will show you how many decimals each data type can hold. I'm gonna create a video in which you're gonna see how to define constants or final variables, examples of division with different numeric data types, so you can see how division works for all these data types. It is surprisingly different from a data type to another. Also, I'm gonna show you about string variables, a bunch of features, and also how to compare strings. And the most advanced topic for strings is how to convert a string to a number. So if you have a string that stores a number, then you want to make sure that you store that into a variable that's specific for numbers. And then I'm going to show you about Boolean variables that are very useful whenever you want to implement logical conditions. I will show you how to perform checks, and you're gonna check for errors and also for different things so that you make sure that your application doesn't crash. And also I'm going to show you how to use those Boolean variables in order to store different kind of things, like an expression that can hold as many parameters as possible. And also I'm going to show you how to use the question mark operator, which is very important when you want to display a string depending on a Boolean variable. So keep in mind that Boolean variables can be either true or false, and so that's why depending on that value you can just show a message on the screen, and many other features that you will see in this course. So um, I hope to see you in the next video.